Don't look for beauty. Look for the scream. Because this is not a painting, it's an alarm. This work is called Guernica, painted by Pablo Picasso, 1937, the Spanish Civil War. And it is massive, almost a wall, not a canvas. On April 26, 1937, the Basque town of Guernica is bombed. Not a battlefield, not soldiers, people, civilians. Picasso does not paint a battle, he paints the outcome. He was asked to create a work for the Spanish pavilion at the Paris World's Fair. Guernica becomes his answer. Why black and white? Because it feels like a newspaper, a report, evidence, as if the world printed it. Look at the mother and child. Her mouth is open, but we hear nothing. This is the moment when language breaks. On the left stands the bull, still, massive, untouched. Some see power, some see indifference, some see a witness. At the center, the horse, wounded, torn open, screaming, like a people themselves, hurt yet still alive. Above it all, a light, like an eye. Technology, surveillance, modern warfare. It shines, but it saves no one. Below, a fallen body, a hand, a broken sword, and a small flower, a tiny refusal to surrender. On the right, women enter the scene like waves of panic. One crawls, one brings light, one burns. No heroes, just humans. Guernica was kept outside Spain for years and later returned. Today it hangs in Madrid at the Museo Reina Sofia. Guernica doesn't ask, who won? It asks, what did we do to the human being? This painting is from 1937, but its scream has no date. What do you see in Guernica? Chaos, anger, grief, or truth? Share your thoughts respectfully. Maybe together we'll see more.